What is up, boos? Welcome back to another video. So for today's video, we're going to start it off a little bit different. I am going to be doing like an eye shot type of video this video. So I want to have like my foundation and concealer done already, so you're not all up in my wrinkles, you know. But I am going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation. If you guys would like to see a review or a wear test video, go ahead and let me know in the comments below. But I'm just taking that with my Real Techniques brush and I'm just buffing that in. So now I'm just going to go in with the Benefit No Cake Concealer, and this is in the shade 9, which was on the kind of darker tone, but it still looks pretty light on me, so I might have to go back and get a darker shade. But I do really like this concealer so far. It is super full coverage and I didn't have any caking with this concealer, so it's up there with my Tarte Shape Tape. So now let's get started on the eyes. I'm just going in with the Makeup Revolution and Jack palette, and I'm just going in with this brown shade, and I'm going to pack it onto the crease, and I'm taking it slightly above the crease and I'm shaping it into kind of a round shape. So I'm going in the inner corners just as dark as I'm going in the outer corners, because we're going to do that halo eye. So now we're going to really warm up this look, because that just is totally fall appropriate. It just reminds me of like pumpkin and leaves falling on the ground and all that pumpkin slut stuff that fall people love. So I'm just going to go back in with that dark brown shade again, and I'm going to blend in that orange with that brown so that there is no harsh lines. And then I'm just going in with this LA Girl concealer, and I'm going to cut the crease, and I'm shaping this into like a dome shape. So it's going to be more round and longer on the top, and then it's just going to kind of go skinnier at the bottom towards the base of the eyelid. So to really make your halo eye pop, you want to go in with some darker shades and blend out the edges of where you stamped on that concealer, and that just really makes the center of the eye pop. And then I'm just going to go in with a white shadow, and I'm going to place that on the center. What my camera didn't pick up because it played me is I put literally the tiniest bit of the gold shimmer that is in the palette. I don't know why my camera didn't record it, but yeah. And then I'm just going to go in with this Urban Decay glitter liner, and I'm going to line at the top of the crease. And just to hide my lash band, I'm going to add the thinnest line of eyeliner. And yeah guys, I hope that you liked this look. Let me know if you guys prefer these voiceover up close eye shots better than the other videos, like a talk through video. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on your way out, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.